Okay, this is how to install the D's RC remote control switch. The instructions were not brilliant. I want it to be on momentary mode, which means so it's for an anchor winch, and basically when I press A it will motor for as long as I've got the button pressed. There are other modes, there's latch mode and continuous mode as well. So this is how I wired it. So this is a power bus bar, so just positive power coming out of all of these 4 wires. Okay, so that's power negative back to the battery. And a couple of these go to the relay, so the thicker wires, so that's this wire and this wire, go to the relay, which is what turns the powerful anchor winch on and off, and that is just positive that goes back to the bus bar, and that is just positive that just goes to the bus bar. So the thing to do, I had to reset it, so you have to hold this, you have to tap this 8 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and that wipes whatever's been set, because there was something weird going on with the remotes. So to pair, you hold the button down for 4 seconds, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you wait for the light to go out, then you press button A and button B, one after the other at once, and then it should be paired, but it's a bit fiddly. You have to do the sort of the 1, 2, 3, 4 press, so not 4 presses, 4 seconds of 1 press, let go, wait for the light to go out, then press the A button, wait for the light to go out, and then press the B button and wait for the light to go out, and then you should be good to go.